When you pull up, will you pull it? Are you the shooter, trigger puller? Do you back up what you say you do, or miss the shit I would've? Do you get back to the hood you from, or run go to the jeweler? When you got beef, do you stand or run, or talk from your computer? Do you boss up with your people on, or hate 'cause you can't do it? Will you speak the truth to power, or be silent, bite the bullet? Which one are you? Which one are you?
Why the gay niggas tryna fuck the straight niggas that's tryna fuck the gay bitches that look just like